Morning, everybody. Okay, I'm changing brake pads out on a 2013 Nissan Maxima. When you take your tire off, you loosen your lug nuts, jack your car up, take the lug nuts off, take your tire off, make sure your car is secure. And above all else, do not put your feet anywhere underneath the vehicle when you are working on it, just to be safe. Okay, this calipers. There's two bolts. It's one here and one down at the bottom. They're 14 millimeters. I've already loosened them. You take the top one out. You just loosen the bottom one. You don't have to take it out. That way you can rotate the caliper down. Okay? Then you pop off your brake pads. Sometimes it helps to use a screwdriver. Don't hurt it. Okay, and my hardware is still in good shape, and my rotors are also in good shape, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay. On these brake pads, there is one that has 2 notches on it. That goes in the back because it fits in between this. Okay, so it doesn't get stuck, so you can close your caliper back up. Anyway, you push them back on. Now this right here, when you take your old ones off, a lot of times this is out. So what you can do, you put a little, let's see if I can get this to stay up a little bit. Put a little stick in there. If I can get this to sit there, because I can't do this two-handed. Anyway, put a little stick in there. Get your seat clamp, put it on there and suppress it so that this goes even. Okay, that way you can get it over your new calipers. Make sure you use this. I don't care what anybody says, I love this stuff. Okay, and it gives clear directions on where to put it at right there. So I do put some on this. You can see it. Grease that up. Again, goes in the top. Make sure you're okay. Tighten it back up. If you don't like getting your hands greasy, don't do it. Or get you some gloves if you're scared of grease. These bolts are 14 millimeter on the 2013. Get my finger out of the way. And they say use a mallet. It don't matter. All you're doing is tightening, securing these bolts. Just make sure you're tight. Because I'm a woman and I can't do things as tight as a man can. So I use a hammer. And that's it. That's changing the pads out. That's all you got to do. It's not that hard of a job to do. And then you put your tire back on. Raise your car up a little bit. Put your tire back on. Remove your brick. Gotta love those cinder blocks. Anyway, that's it. 2013. Takes about 20 minutes to do. So your main problem is getting your tire off and getting the bolts loose. But anyway, y'all have a good day. Love y'all. Bye-bye.